Alright, here's the script. Intro, upbeat music, Fix Zone logo animation. Hey everyone, you're watching Fix Zone. Today we're tackling something many of you have been asking about: how to watch Japanese Netflix on your iPhone, no matter where you are in the world. Transition to screen recording of iPhone. It might seem tricky, but trust me, it's easier than ordering sushi for the first time. We're going to walk through the whole process, step by step. We'll cover why you might want to watch Japanese Netflix, hint, awesome anime. The one essential tool you'll need, a reliable VPN. How to set it up on your iPhone. And how to actually connect to Japanese Netflix and start streaming. Transition back to Face. Before we dive in, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our tech tips and tricks. And if you find this video helpful, smash that like button, it really helps us out. Transition to screen recording again. Okay, let's get started. First things first, why bother with Japanese Netflix? Well, the Japanese Netflix library is huge. They have a ton of anime, Japanese movies, dramas, and shows that aren't available anywhere else. Think Studio Ghibli classics, exclusive anime releases, and all sorts of hidden gems. Show quick clips of popular anime on Japanese Netflix. Now, the key to unlocking all this is a VPN, or virtual private network. A VPN basically tricks Netflix into thinking you're accessing it from Japan. There are tons of VPNs out there, but not all of them are created equal. Show examples of VPN logos. ExpressVPN, NordVPN, Surfshark mention that these are examples, and viewers should do their own research to choose one that suits their needs and budget. I highly suggest doing some research and choosing a reputable VPN that has servers in Japan. Is fast enough for streaming without buffering. Has a good privacy policy to protect your data. Offers an iPhone app. Transition to iPhone screen recording showing App Store. For this example, I'm going to demonstrate using VPN name. Insert a specific, popular and reliable VPN you are affiliated with. Download it from the App Store like you would any other app. Show the download and installation process. Once it's installed, open the VPN app and create an account. Most VPNs offer a free trial period, so you can test it out before committing to a subscription. Show VPN app interface, login, server selection. Now the important part, select a server location in Japan. The app will usually have a list of countries to choose from. Scroll down, find Japan, and connect to one of the Japanese servers. Show connecting to a Japanese server. It usually takes a few seconds to connect. Once you're connected, your iPhone's IP address will be masked, and it will appear as though you're browsing from Japan. Transition to Netflix app on iPhone. Now, close your Netflix app completely. This is important. You need to force quit it so it refreshes your location. Show how to force quit an app on iPhone. Then, reopen the Netflix app. You should now see the Japanese Netflix library. Show the Netflix home screen with Japanese titles and artwork. You might see some titles you've never seen before, and some of the familiar titles might have different artwork or descriptions. Browse around and enjoy. You might have to change the language settings within Netflix if it defaults to English or your native language. Look for the globe icon and select Japanese. Show how to change language settings in Netflix.
Transition back to face.
And that's it. You're now watching Japanese Netflix on your iPhone. Remember to disconnect from the VPN when you're done watching Japanese content, especially if your VPN has limited data or bandwidth.
Transition to screen recording again.
Troubleshooting. Still seeing your regular Netflix library? Double check that you're connected to a Japanese server on your VPN, and force quit and reopen the Netflix app again. Getting a proxy error? Try a different Japanese server within your VPN app. Some Netflix blocks specific VPN server IPs. Slow streaming speed? Try a different VPN, or a different server within your current VPN. Server location and network congestion can affect your speed.
Transition back to face.
So there you have it, a simple way to unlock a whole new world of content on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And be sure to subscribe to Fix Zone for more tech tips and tricks. Outro end screen with social media links and suggested videos. Let me know in the comments what your favorite Japanese Netflix shows are. Thanks for watching.